the Ethereum community can fully go to the enterprises and the mainstream users, and can confidently say that this technology is environmentally sustainable, and as revolutionary as Web3 is, there should. I think this was the last kind of thorn in the path to mass adoption for Web3 for us. Like, as you see, Polygon in the past few days, like Starbucks and Disney's and Instagram and Facebooks of the world and all that. Everywhere, Stripe, eBay, Polygon is being integrated.
TGIF and happy Friday, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. There we had the co-founder of Polygon, ticker MATIC, by the way, Sandeep Nawal, talking about how the Ethereum merge has paved the way now to benefit a lot of the alternative altcoins out there, the Ethereum alternatives, such as Polygon, in a big way. And he's getting, or his project, I should say, is getting a lot of attention now from big names like Disney, like Instagram, like Facebook, like eBay, like Starbucks, and like others. We'll be talking about that. We'll be talking about Bitcoin's negative price action, unfortunately, that we've been seeing in these last couple of days. Altcoin markets are also bleeding. A lot of that's based on Ray Dalio's economic outlook. He's had some somewhat negative things to say in terms of his forecast. We're also talking about the Ethereum merge. We're going to be talking about Cardano, Cosmos, and Solana. So stay tuned. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. All right, so here we are the day after the Ethereum merge. If you're not up to speed with that development, really the largest of the year, arguably, in the crypto industry, go back and check out our previous videos. I'll link to them up here just above, and you can catch up and get up to speed on what the merge implicates, why it's such a momentous transition from proof of work, of course, to proof of stake. And now, unfortunately, we have some negative price action, not only because now we're in a post-merge environment, but because if you've been paying attention to the rest of the world, CPI, that stands for Consumer Price Index, the inflation metric, basically, out of the United States, that has a lot of investors worried. A lot of the stocks and a lot of the indices in the US markets have been underperforming. It's been a very difficult week. And now you have Bitcoin teetering at this 19.6K mark, about 19.5K as I record. It's down now, along with a lot of other stocks, as Ray Dalio is predicting a 30% stock crash. But look, it's not all doom and gloom. Just as Polygon is experiencing a little bit of wind in its sails due to the Ethereum merge, we have other altcoin projects that are also achieving major milestones right now. And again, look, ETH's price is looking kind of ugly, probably sitting at about 1450 right now. So not exactly great, not exactly the performance that we were hoping for. But silver lining here, you do have competitors in the form of Cardano. It's an Ethereum competitor, of course. They just reached 50,000 transactions as a milestone. They have a major upgrade. They have a major upcoming event and checkpoint of their own that they're looking forward to, of course. And that, of course, is the Vasil hard fork. That's coming up pretty quickly on the 22nd of September. Here's a quote by founder Charles Hoskinson. "It's becoming more clear that the distance between us and everyone else is growing. We built Cardano to be the financial operating system of the world, and we built it to bank the unbanked." Now, the price is perhaps a little bit underwhelming compared to previous all-time highs, but if we take a look at other metrics, some of the alternatives out there when it comes to ADA and Cardano, you can see here it is the leader in terms of crypto projects by the number of active GitHub contributors over the course of the last month, so not bad. All right, so the man you saw at the beginning of this video was none other than Sandeep Nawal. He's the co-founder of Polygon, and they stand to benefit quite a bit. We've identified them as a great altcoin project. We've always been behind Polygon and what they stand for, what they envision, but they especially stand to benefit right now in this post-merge landscape for a few different reasons that we're going to break down right now. You can check out the full interview here, courtesy of CoinDesk. And in that interview, Sandeep referenced all of the very impressive partnerships that Polygon has been able to strike up recently, including this one with Starbucks. That's in addition to a few other big names such as Facebook, Instagram, Disney, eBay, and some others as well. So really great work on the partnership front lately. But there really is a lot more to the interview, so I suggest you watch it in full. And Sandeep actually talks about how the merge itself is not enough. It's not this solution to all of Ethereum woes that some people would suggest that it is. And he talks about how dark sharding, for example, is not really going to make a huge difference, especially with respect to TPS, transactions per second. And even now that Ethereum is POS, that's proof of stake post-merge, you still have users paying as much as, get this, 36.8 ETH in gas fees. That was to mint the very first proof of stake NFT on Ethereum. That is tens of thousands of dollars. But look, beyond the partnerships, really what we're most excited about when it comes to Ethereum is everything that they're doing in the NFT space, the non-fungible token side of cryptocurrency. If you've been following our videos, you're at least partially familiar with some of these metrics. They've been putting out great numbers now for quite some time and are really making a name for themselves in this space. And Polygon POS has emerged as really a hub for some of the most important Web3 projects. This includes DeFi protocols like Aave, Uniswap v3, NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, and Mark Cuban founded Lazy.com. And the network's technical capabilities, which are supported by a thriving ecosystem and the team's commitment to sustainability, are also why companies like Adobe, Stripe, and Dolce & Gabbana have chosen Polygon as their default gateway to Web3. And of course, never financial advice, but if you're interested, Polygon's market cap to TVL ratio right now is 0.86. And as you know, if you're numerically and quantitatively inclined, when that ratio dips below 1, the asset in question is usually very undervalued and thus should be more attractive to investors. And in the event that you're interested in picking up some Polygon, some MATIC on the dip here, maybe some Ethereum or any other altcoin on that matter, the best place in all of cryptocurrency to do that is on the Binance exchange. And we have now for a few more days this ongoing program with Binance where you can sign up and get $600 free worth of unlockables if you use our exclusive Altcoin Buzz link. Information can be found in the description below. We also have a trading contest here. Details should be coming up now on screen. So check that out as well if you're an active trader. Guys, we have a bunch of great offers right now. They're going to be going away soon, but if you don't already have an account with Binance, if you're not already part of this competition, it's a great time to get on board and check it out. I mentioned that everything is dumping, but we do have some projects that are up right now, including Cosmos, ticker ATOM, ATOM. We selected ATOM even before this current mini spike for a lot of reasons, fundamental reasons. We think that ecosystem is a solid one. It's really second only to Ethereum's ecosystem. So among sort of a lot of not failing projects, but faltering projects in terms of price performance, ATOM is definitely up on this day, on this Friday here. If you'd like more information as to why we think the price is moving up and why we've selected it as one of our shortlisted winners in this altcoin and crypto climate, check out this video, which is just recently actually was selected as one of our favorites in a couple of videos, in fact. So I'll be linking to all relative videos above. Check them out if you've not already. And just before we end the video, we also have news courtesy of Solana here. Also a top contender in terms of projects that we've recently highlighted as being very high potential given the current crypto and altcoin climate. So the first Solana L2 scaling solution, it's called Nitro. It's going to act as a bridge between Solana and Cosmos, and it's going to launch in 2023. We're excited about Nitro. We covered it in a recent video. Go back and check that one out if you've not already, but we have a lot of faith and long-term faith and confidence, of course, in SOL, SOL, and Solana as a broader project. There it is. That is your Altcoin Buzz news for this Friday, 16th of September, 2022. Of course, never official financial or investment advice, but best of luck if you do choose to invest. And don't forget, you can still avail yourself of the great offer that we have ongoing right now with Binance. You can get $600 worth of unlockables. There's also the ongoing trading competition with Binance. So if you've not already signed up, this really is a no-brainer. It's a freebie. There's a lot of bonuses associated with opening up a new account with Binance. It's the best time ever to do so. And you can check out further information by clicking the links in the description below. Guys, if you're still watching this video here at the tail end, kudos to you. And be sure to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell to receive notifications. That way you're always up to speed with all the new content that we publish on YouTube. By the way, if you like that content, check out these other couple of related videos here. Should be popping up to my left, to my right. Stay safe out there, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. Have a great Friday, a great end to your week, a great start to your weekend. And as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.